Hello, Crazy Surfer here, coming to you from the break near my house. This is Saturday morning, the day before all of the waves from Alex showed up, and I got my drone out and caught this fantastic sunrise, which was a precursor to how much fun we were gonna have. The best wave I caught on film. This guy is on the nose and losing his mind because it's June in Florida and it is pumping. I personally served Sunday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday night for a night session, and Thursday morning. I usually pull weeds for an older gentleman, and as fate would have it, he canceled for the week so that I could surf all week long in June. These waves were the perfect doggy-sized waves, and when I say that, I mean all the old salty dogs got to drag their logs out and catch some great waves and not worry about getting beat up too much. I finally caught my neighbor Jack surfing a few waves and was very happy to be able to get him on film. Some of the locals showed up and showed us how to really ride the waves.
Goodbye, stranger. It's been nice. Hope you find your paradise. Glad to see you. Point of view. Hope your dreams will all come true. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye, Jane. Will we ever meet again? Feel no sorrow. Feel no shame. No tomorrow. Feel no pain.
Sweet devotion.
I caught this fella who was instructing a surf camp, and every morning he was out early catching a few nuggets, and I was in the water, so turned the camera on him. Here's what it looks like when you try a late takeoff and have to bail out. But not a bad hit. Here is the surf instructor again, catching one of the best waves of the day, all the way down the line. I am still working on trying to go off the lip on my longboard and almost pull it off here, but nope.
Some they will and some they won't. But some it's just as well. You could laugh at my behavior. That'll never.
So when I took off on this left, all the little surf campers were out there. They hadn't started yet, and I decided to show off a little bit, crazy surfer style. Yep, you know what's coming. Upside down. Woohoo! So on Wednesday night, I decided it was the perfect night for some night surfing. I stuffed a couple of glow sticks down my pants, put a couple of glow sticks around my neck, and paddled out. You can see the lights of the town in the background. Here you will see me turn around. I start paddling for the wave, and wait for it. Oh, night surfing at its best. Cruising along. It was dark and I couldn't see nothing. I got beat to death, but had a great time. And the end of the ride was pretty fast and pretty severe. You're going to see a streak of light, and that is me getting thrown off my board in slow motion. There I go. But successful night surf again. We had some dredging, and our local break was messed up for a few years. This swell, these lefts were so long. Not the best waves ever, but 20 and 30-second rides in June in Florida. Look, it just doesn't happen very often. A reverse gravity vortex headstand. Oh yeah, backwards headstand. I was doing several throughout the week. One a day, that's my rule. I believe I have to be over 300 headstands at the boardwalk in Indiana. I caught a ton of lefts over the week. It was just lining up for such long rides, culminating with this next reverse gravity vortex 33-second left that when I play it backwards, it looks like I'm dancing to the music. Enjoy.
Good Lord, Jane, will we ever meet again?
Sunday morning while I was surfing, I saw 2 sea turtles mating. And so I ran home and got my drone and took a little video of these 2 and have to give them credit that they were the ones that started. I kept surfing all week and getting good footage and going, oh, this is going to be a great video. But these 2 right here are really what started the process, and probably that moment on film with the glistening water. We'll end with a couple of locals making sure the surfers are staying in line. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.